Welcome to Glow's Kinder Kitchen, and I'm Glow. Well, today I've been busy making dinner, and I'm having meatloaf for dinner. And one of my sides that I'm going to make is a really good cabbage recipe that I cook in the microwave, and it's very easy and simple and quick. So I just thought I'd show you what I do. I buy a whole head of cabbage, and as you can tell, I only have half left now. I use part of this in my meatloaf, and now I'm making the side. And so what I do is I cut off sections like this. I have one of them already in here. Actually, you could roast this at this, size in the oven as well. You would drizzle olive oil over it and put some seasonings on it. But this way is quicker for me tonight, and I'm going to steam this, but it is delicious. So what you do is you cut the core out of the cabbage here. This one was right here. And I save these for my stock. I don't throw those out. So then you cut them up into bite-sized pieces like this. So I'm going to go ahead and just slice this and cut it. Cut these up a little bit more. Okay, and I'm just going to put this right in here with the other. And then I'm going to just drizzle a little bit of water over this, a couple tablespoons, and I'm going to put this in my microwave, and I'll be steaming it for probably about 3.5 minutes on power level 7, and then I'll be back and I'll show you the next step. Well, our cabbage is cooked in the microwave now for 3.5 minutes at power level 7. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. So you can tell that it's already started to cook, and it's kind of, getting where it's a little limp, and that's what you want. And you can see there's not much water in the bottom, and that you don't want much water in the bottom. So the next thing we're going to do is add some butter. And I'm going to put about a tablespoon of butter to start with. And then I'm going to add some nutmeg, because nutmeg actually goes very well with cabbage. And for the majority of the time, when I'm making a dish like this, I always add nutmeg. It just enhances it. So let's go ahead and put a few shakes of that in. And then I also add either honey or sugar, and this is cane sugar, and I'm going to add just a light sprinkle over the top. That's maybe a half a teaspoon. In fact, I'm going to do just a tad more, because this is more cabbage than I sometimes do. So that's maybe a teaspoon, very shy teaspoon. And then I'm going to add some half and half, and just a little. So I'm just going to kind of stir it up lightly, because as this cooks in the microwave, it'll go down through the cabbage, and that's what you want. So I'll be back. I'm going to cook this again for another 3.5 minutes on power level 7, and we'll be back to see what it looks like. Well, our cabbage has been in the microwave for the second time. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. I wish you were here to smell this. It's going to need to cook about another 2 minutes. I can tell just by the way the cabbage looks. It needs to be a little bit more done, but not much. But the smell, oh, it's smelling really good. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back in for probably about 2 more minutes, and then I'll be back and we'll sample it. Hi, well, our cabbage, I believe, should be done. So let's take the lid off. Oh yeah, oh, perfect, perfect, perfect. So let me get this is a spoon for it. And you can see, let me tip this so you guys can see, there's hardly any half and half or water in the bottom now. And the cabbage has just absorbed all of that seasoning. I'm going to try a piece of this. Hopefully it's cool enough. Lucy wants a piece too, I can tell. Let's see here. Yeah, you can see the steam coming up. I don't know if you've ever had steamed cabbage like this, but it is just delicious. It is so good. It does need a little bit more salt. So I'm just going to shake lightly. Small piece here. Oh, perfect. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've had many people that have come over for dinner, or if I've, taken dinner to them, that have asked me for this recipe. It is so simple and delicious, and mostly if people have never really liked cabbage, they definitely like this. So anyway, if you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful evening. Bye.